how can we be in our loving the strongest is by being loyal to our soul. And we have an incredible workshop coming up. I know it's come up tonight. Many people have talked about this incredible education. And we do have our Loyalty to Your Soul workshop coming up September 9th, 10th, and 11th. And then a bonus class on September 27th. A link to the website with information about this incredible transformational workshop has just been put in the chat. It is open to everyone. It is open to newcomers who want to taste and learn this foundational information. You know, Loyalty to Your Soul really is the vehicle where people can learn these skills, the 10 foundational skills that really take us to the heart of what it means to be unconditionally loving with ourselves as often as possible, so that we can be unconditionally loving with the world as often as possible, and really be able to rise above this, you know, paradigm to see how we can serve from our hearts. So again, this workshop is the absolute best place to start. And again, open to newcomers, open to grads who maybe have been out of the magic water for a little while, who want to get back in, who need some refreshing. You know, we go to the gym to make our muscles stronger. We go to Loyalty to Your Soul to make our skills stronger. So again, that information is in the chat right there. I also want to invite everybody to our next worldwide community gathering. My gosh, they just keep getting richer and richer, and I am so grateful to be able to come together in this way. So save the date.